Tirimwe Kameme mucirithania munene Justice David Maraga anoneka muingi-ini akihuhia mwaki thutha wa kuuga kuri na andu marageria kumukunikiria na kumuhinyiriria niguo eherere giturwa giake. Ngucanio gatagati gake na thirikari ti undu mugeni maitho-ini ma Kenya, umuthi akiuga ona korwo ni agereire macio mothe ndari hindi agetikira guikia moko na tiganirie wira wake riria utungata wake giturwa-ini giki utanyitwo gukinya muthia mweri-ini wa November mwaka uyu.
I'm still around for a while. We have quite a number of things to do. As you know, the judiciary has a very strict protocol. A retiring judge takes terminal leave. So when my time comes, I will receive a letter from the CRJ asking me to take terminal leave.
Maraga ekwaragia hindi ya kuruguria mutambo wa kiriu uria rihuthikaga kwandikithia macira, akiuga undu uyu ni uri honokagiria Kenya ihinda riria mathia gubanga raini magoti-ini makenda kwandikithia macira mao.
Don't worry. I'm still around and we are going to meet in a number of functions.
Mutambo uyu kwambia kurutithio wira guku Nairobi na thutha ucio tamburukio nginyagia kaunti-ini ya Githumo na kaunti ya Mombasa. Kenya makiokiraniro kia ati ndumiriri cio ciothe ni irikoragwo igitiritwo na njira igwete, ona gutuika mamwe mamo wakiri maugite wahota kurituhia maundu na makiria na kuhinyiriria aria matari na uhoti wa kuhuthira mitambo ya kiriu.
The things we should have as a country is internet connectivity, which is stable to enable us transact the business we have.
Kuringana na wakiri Harrison Kinyanjui, utheri wa mutambo uyu ni kurituhia miethere ya kihoto kuri ya Kenya.
The person in law doer who does not have internet access, who may have internet access but has no bundles, is cut off from your justice system. If your justice system is exclusive to e-filing, e-payment and so forth.
Kaige na kaige kuragwa fairo riria mundu arikia kwandikithia cira ni undu ukoretwo ukionekana njira nene. Maraga akiuga wona mambiriria kuhuthira mutambo uyu maundu megie kuragwa fairo ni megukorwo makiriganira.
Is more expensive and more time consuming, more draining, and I don't think it is even helping the Kenyan.
Ihinda-ini uriu no ugite mutambo uyu ni ukorwo kinyitithanio na wabici ya mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi o ndomwe na mawabici ma migunda guku bururi-ini.
And I've asked my ICT people to find a way of how we can integrate with the land service, because the title deeds that we are given as security for bond or bail, we want to be sure that they are authentic, because we have run into problems with some of them which are not authentic.
Ndeto egie kigina kiria kigayagirwo ruhonge rwa magoti onayo ndenaga kwiyumiria umuthi.